Hello, everybody. My name is Jennifer Crawford. I am in my last semester in the Career and Technical Education Master's Program. Very excited. And I wanted to share a little bit about myself and what's been going on in my life since COVID-19. So I work in adult education at Calhoun Community College, where I have worked for the last 20 years, almost 21. And I teach GED classes, HSO classes. I've been there for so long. I have lots of responsibilities, but we did not have an online component to our classes. Our students are very much hands-on in the class, walk, talk, and chalk type of environment. So that's what I'm used to. I wasn't used to this online platform. So I've spent a lot of this time researching and getting really great at online platforms, online software. So that is what I've spent a lot of this time doing, is becoming very proficient in that. I wanted to also tell personally, I've had a very, very busy year. My beautiful daughter here turned 24 in April. My good-looking son there turned 16 in May. My beautiful daughter gave me my beautiful granddaughter in June. And my good-looking husband there, we celebrated our 19th wedding anniversary in August. So I have been quite busy during this COVID 20 years. So I just wanted to let you guys in a little bit on my life and what I've been doing over the last few months. And I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Thanks so much.